Good morning.
Good morning.
What is up, though? Thank you. Yeah, y'all can come and fill the area. That's cool.
Give this mic down.
Cool. Felt like it. Okay. Cool. Well, good morning, everybody.
No.
Okay.
Record it. No, don't do it.
This first song is called Sing, Sing, Sing. And we're going to get a little more philosophical later.
I'm
We're going to talk more about literature later. But right now, I would love to see everybody crazy. Because, I mean, you think about what Travis just said, and so often we sit there and we're like, wow, oh my God. But we should be like, woo! Thank you! And you know, that's what this song is for. We will sing, 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 and make music with the heavens. You think about how awesome all this was. You know, there is no condemnation. There is only forgiveness. And that is something to celebrate. And I'd like you guys to celebrate that with us this morning, if you're down. Yeah, not doing it, John. All right, here we go.